Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those that don't know me, my name is Jasmine, and for those that do, welcome back. Today I'm back with a new video. It's another unboxing. I know I've been kind of on an unboxing trend, but this is my Too Faced Spring Mystery Bundle. I actually don't get, like, I always want to buy mystery bags, but then I don't, and then sometimes I have regrets and sometimes I don't. But then I just never spend that cash because a lot of times it's in US pricing, and that is really annoying being a Canadian. But this one I did get, so it did catch my eye, and then there was a glitch on the Too Faced site. So it was coming up as, so regularly it was $40 American, and then of course you would pay $12 shipping to Canada. This was coming up as $12 Canadian, and I only had to pay $12 shipping. When I saw that, I was like, okay, there's no question about it. I am gonna pay for it that price. Like, I don't even care what I get. And I was really lucky because there was a lot of controversy with this. So instead of canceling orders, for some people, they just got samples. Some people only got 2 items, and I didn't mention this, but you actually get 4 items in this mystery bundle. So I was on like pins and needles, like, okay, am I just gonna get a box full of samples? Are they gonna cancel my order? What is gonna happen here? So a cool feature actually with Too Faced, and this is like, I guess, a pro tip if they do another mystery box, is you can actually call the number and they will tell you like the products you're getting. So I'm not gonna lie, like, this is not a surprise mystery box for me. I do know the items in here because I really wanted to see, like, am I just gonna get a box full of samples for $24? Like, no, that is not gonna happen. But I didn't have to worry about that because I got the full meal deal. So I managed to get all this for $24, and they actually had 3% to off on Rakuten. So your girl cleaned up. This is the box, and let's take a look to see what's inside. I love the pink packaging. I think it's super cute. And I've always been a Too Faced fan. I know a lot of people are like, I don't like their products. And they are hit and miss, but their packaging is so cute, and some of their products are just really high quality. Like, I am wearing the Better Than Sex mascara today. It's definitely one of my favorite mascaras. So, like I said, you do get 4 products in this. First product is actually something I already have in my collection, which is kind of annoying. But, you know, maybe I will put this in a giveaway, you know, maybe I'll sell it on Poshmark. I'm not really sure yet what I want to do, but it is the Just Peachy Mattes palette. This is actually one of my favorite palettes. I use it all the time. When this first came out, I remember my excitement. Like, I bought it the day it came out. You can see it has quite a bit of love. It's very dusty though. It has quite a bit of love. I've hit pan on just 2 colors actually, so peach meringue and peach butter. But I actually like, so this palette is actually very versatile. I actually love the sangria color. The browns are nice too. Like, I just really like this palette. I find it's not too big and it's pretty solid too. I don't know if I've actually traveled with it, I can't remember. But that palette is like $48 value. So that palette is actually $55 value on the Too Faced site. It's not on Sephora anymore, but that is really good. So that was the first thing that I did get. The next thing that I did get was the Damn Girl mascara. I haven't tried it. I do like the Too Faced Better Than Sex one. I've heard mixed things. Like, I find this one is just not as iconic as that one. This little sample would be $18. I'm excited to try it because I do like Better Than Sex. So, you know, I think I'll like this one too. And I'm actually glad, like, it is kind of the deluxe sample size because I never use up entire mascaras. Like, I always throw them out. So right away, you know, we're still getting really good value. The next thing is the Rich and Dazzling High Sparkling Lip Gloss in Raisin the Roof. I haven't tried these. They look pretty. I feel like they're from, ooh, that is such a pretty color. And the packaging is very, very, very cute. I'm gonna put some on right now. It looks perfect with the color I'm wearing. It just gives like a really nice glittery shine, and it just has kind of a normal applicator. I actually didn't know if I'd like that color, but it's actually like a very pretty sparkly color. I don't know how much this lip gloss is. Let me take a look on the Too Faced website. The Rich and Dazzling lip gloss is $28. I'm really glad I got this. I didn't think I'd like it, but I do. The last thing that I did get in here, I was super excited to get this because I find this line of Too Faced isn't as easy to find. It is the Glover. So this is based off of Clover, the cute little Chihuahua. And you know I have a Chihuahua and I love my dog so much. So this is a limited edition highlighter. The packaging is so cute. It's his sweet little face. And then this is the color. It looks very universal, and I think it will be really nice for summer. It looks like just that perfectly glowy kind of gold, and then it has the mirror in it. I'm excited to try that because, like I said, I haven't tried the Glover, and I just want to see how much money it is. The Glover highlighter is $38. Really good value. Like, I'm just gonna add this up here. I have to use a calculator because I am so bad at math. So this is like $140 value. That is amazing. I'm really happy with this, especially too where I only paid $24. And you do get samples as well when you order from Too Faced. I got this Good in Bed Hydrating Serum. I actually haven't tried any of their Hangover RX products, so I'm excited to try that because I love a good serum, and it has hyaluronic acid, coconut water, dragon fruit, and vitamin B5. So I got that sample, and then believe it or not, I've never tried the Born This Way, and this is the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer in light beige. I really want to try that because I know it's been on sale, but it's overdue that I try that concealer, and I haven't tried the foundation either, so I can't believe it. But that was everything that I got in my Too Faced mystery bundle. Let me know if you think this was a good value. I think even for the full price, this would have been really good. I do wish it was a different palette because I already own this, but you know, what can you do? I was happy with the 3 other products that I did receive. Let me know too if you'd like to see more mystery bundles. I kind of want to do that. Like, it's just, there's something exhilarating about it. But if you did like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you'd like to see any reviews. And if you're not subscribing, don't forget to hit the button down below, put on the notifications, and tell a friend too. So I thank you all so much for your love and support, and I hope you have a great day.